Adding visual interest to any space is easy when using large canvas prints to accent a room. In this first space, we have a cozy reading area with a sofa table providing both storage and display space. The ample shelving area and functional drawers give lots of room to store books, accessories, and other personal items. The stylish lamp provides a focal point on the table, and the blue accent chair gives a perfect place to sit and relax. We've added some additional color to the room with the plant in the corner, and the green and blue colors are mirrored in the large canvas print on the wall. The outdoor scene provides the perfect focal point for the space and creates a coherent color palette. In the opposite corner, we've used a wildlife print to provide the focal point of the room. The vibrant colors of the print are reflected in the plant, vases, and chair, and the small side table provides style and just enough function to hold your accessories and personal items. AFW has hundreds of prints available from local artists to help you decorate any space in your home. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.